The beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, 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 give it to him. Now slide to the beat like, give it to him, 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 give it to him. I be cutting up like, move to the beat like, move to the beat like, move to the beat. Now slide to the beat like, move to the beat like, move to the beat like, move to the beat. Everywhere I go, I be cutting it up like, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. I be cutting up like, shake it up, shake it up. Hold up, when the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, 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 give it to him.
Yo, big man, away you go? Away you go?
Away from you, brother. I book a room, so I go for the weekend.
So, how me never know about that? That brother, yeah, man.
Brother, how much time I for tell you, you know my daddy, my youth? I not for tell you nothing, G. My youth, it's like every time I dey around in my youth, I feel like an artificial orange juice, da. I just can't concentrate.
Shut up, shut up. Hotel label open, brother, so I don't know where you go.
You don't worry about that. You chat too much. I'll book it through KML Enterprise and then find the nicest room for me. Why you vex about it?
You hear me? I said, no, oh, let go for this one, man. I want it. Marcia.
In the eyes of a ranger, the unsuspecting stranger had better know the truth of wrong from right. Cause the eyes of the ranger are upon you. He know you do, he's gonna see. When your ex is left behind.
Big, where you did?
Yo, where you did, my general? You know what's going on. You know the badness going on. If a dirt, you know, man.
Fully dirt up.
You know you go, man. It's cold. I want you.
Nah, I don't know a dog. Me taste dirt. You see this guy?
Please, God, I'm sorry. I never mean it. I never mean it like that. I never take it literal. I'm sorry. Please, when I like all this guy with please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm not dirt. It's not dirt.
No way, I do, mama.
That no, you gonna make me nervous.
Saying they say the bully beat keep on the tin.
You know, say I'm too farsighted. On the seasonings.
Yo, so we are take out the bulk syrup for and chicken seasoning. A bully beef you cook, you know, beef. Yeah, what? Not seasoning. Just put some like onion and them thing there. Just yeah.
Alright.
Yo, what wrong with you, man? How the freak that happened?
I think I stove them when they turn it and it just warm up by itself.
Come on.
Baby,
come
no.
on, come on. You see this perfume, yeah?
Yeah, I
It's
see
cologne.
it. Versace.
Every time I wear it, my mother says it's very strong. I'm putting too much on me, you know?
Yeah, and
So
what?
to fix that problem, you know what I do?
Oh my God, tell me.
I take this here
Yeah.
and I give it a lighter spray.
Oh my God, don't leave me. Take me with you. You're running too fast.
いいじゃん教えてよ
やだよ
教えてってば
いいだろ別に
なんでよいいじゃん
だから言ってもしょうがねえってどうせお前には分かんねえだろ
Yo, I'm gonna tell you for real Simon, my youth. Man, the man weird, my youth. I don't wanna watch them thing, brother. Real Simon is someone else, no please. The man weird.
You're gonna have to do better than that if you want a PS5, fine. You can do better.
Like this?
You're gonna have to lose the pants.
The pants?
Yo, you know how them are rapping. Pull it, people dead. Sang baby, dang bang, baby, dang bang, baby, sang baby, dang bang, 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 baby, sang baby, turn down the rhythm there, okay? Simmer, be the man, a son killer. Who am I? Kill bounty killer. Anyway, go and get. Who? All I know business, everybody dead. I do the piece of wire busting on me head. That's what if you rub out from me down to set. Being in a make your Grammy get to your head. Me no business, everybody gone. Him a dead in the cash for a morning. Put up resistance, but if you make him bam. She got one on her. Well, kill you madman. Being him on a bad man. Kill you.
I want you out of my house, and I want you out of my house now.
And I want an ashtray.
You son of a bitch. He was laughing at me.
You keep saying your house. That marriage license says our house.
It was bad enough that he had taken all my money, but here he was laughing.
I'm watching. Ashtray. Ashtray, bitch!
Cranny body girl Peaches.
Sasha,
Awa.
girl, me did have to go do it, girl. Me did have to do
Hold
it.
on, Peaches. This sound like breaking news. How you find out you're too good to the boy and poison him?
Hey,
What?
stop! Girl, it's too bad. I know that me did talk about Sasha.
Then how
Me just
Peaches?
do my meals them. Girl, COVID they treat me too bad. Me did
Girl, me grudge you. That's how you get rid of the Godzilla fingernail them
Yeah.
still. No, sir. But how could I cause this? No, sir, Peaches, I do your eyelash them too.
Dr. Marina, watch me.
Girl, cause every wink you wink, a beer breeze a blow through the phone. I'm a know say you can't buy fan. I'm a know say you're not there L
You
shot.
love boots me, you love boots
What?
me.
What?
I have a question for you. What do you think about my stretch mark them? Them loud. What do you mean them loud? What that mean? Loud mean like, I see them, you see me like, them can't hide. When I wash the dish them, I see them. When I praise God, I see them. Them they all over your body, I see them. What am I doing? You just tell me something look like Lisa. When me say that? When me say that? It's alright. I know something look like one fat clown here. It's alright. Babe, you know say if you don't like your skin, you can always buy Lulu Holistic Skincare products. What? Them something that work? Yeah, babe. Them have body butter that use eczema, stretch mark, and them something there. Them clear up acne. Them sell turmeric soap for acne. But me love nobody. Cheap. Plus, you can make it 10% cheaper when you use them promo code. Brooks. But so come here, buy. All right, lizard face. What you say?
What's going on? I'm back from foreign.
Asha.
Pollen.
Awa.
Girl, you lose whole heap of weight. How you have AIDS? You look so nice.
So you give somebody compliment. How are you beg me, Sasha?
I don't want nothing.
Sasha, how are you?
Alright. Girl, you know somebody just ask you for help me out with my rent. Girl, come on my phone. You said this need crowd.
Hello, where you ask me for money for? You know remember you there follow Megan the Stallion with her hot girl summer. Now you coming like Megan the half dog.
So ask if you lick rent money for pay my rent, you know. Me I go give it back.
Oh, you go give me it back. Your man stop work, so you stop earn. Girl, don't feel like me an idiot.
Why you diss me like this?
Well, me a this you. Girl, you know remember when me did ask you for go follow me for go buy the Bridgets, and you tell me say you step up from Bridgets. You gone Tory Burge. Look like Tory Burge out your pocket. You ask when I Benz man them for them gas money and go take it pay your rent. God go with you, cause me nah go with you. You bride.
Oh my God.
Oh, babe, you hear about the new sex trafficking thing?
Yeah, yo, I can't believe
It pissed me off.
That's why our people them have to go like private school.
I like that,
You see me
I
come
like
nah
that.
make that reach them. And you,
Yeah?
like you have to stay close to
Okay,
them. Nah, make
babe.
nobody really come feel like them kind of say, oh, me have $50,000 already, come here. No.
I just can't believe them let the pitney them a sex traffic.
Exactly. Like, why them a do that to the pitney them?
That me I say,
Crazy.
like who give them license? And when them get money for buy car? I can't believe so them try it before we.
What?
When you gonna have sex in a traffic just like the pitney them where them a make sex traffic. Hello? Babe. Who give them license? And when them get money for buy car?
Babe.
Mama Rasta! Empress! Oh, the eye them fish reaching our garbage, Empress!
Ailey, calm down,
No! Empress! No, tell the eye to calm down! That's gonna cause more fire! Like you put that!
Ailey.
What the man
don't go clock this, man. I just did want to try something new. Like how Corona come and I first see it. But you just think, say, I know at the best time for cook something we never yet cooked before, like at the first we are going to see this.
But I still don't understand why you dash with the eye fish.
Make sure that I know about out with the old and in with the new.
The eye really I said. So how you cook Empress?
Pork. Why is it dramatic?
You kind of pork you the rasta.
I tell pork.
Corona can't see, you know. The eye not talk how you cook the pork.
Sorry.
And no pork no eye tell. The eye they don't know say you never eye